Hello.
Hi there.
Hello.
Hi there.
What is your name?
My name is Lily. And yours?
What is your name?
My name is Lily. And yours?
I'm Nil. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Nil.
I'm Nil. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Nil.
How are you today?
I'm doing great.
How are you today?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm good too. Thanks.
What about you?
I'm good too. Thanks.
Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I'm going to my English class.
Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I'm going to my English class.
Oh, do you study English?
Yes, I want to speak English well.
Oh, do you study English?
Yes, I want to speak English well.
That's nice. I like learning English too. That's nice. I like learning English too.
Do you know English?
Yes, I can speak a little English.
Do you know English?
Yes, I can speak a little English.
That's great. Let's speak in English then.
Sure. Let's try.
That's great. Let's speak in English then.
Sure. Let's try.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I love drawing pictures.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I love drawing pictures.
Wow. That's a fun hobby. Wow. That's a fun hobby.
What about you?
I like to play football and watch cartoons.
Nice. What about you?
I like to play football and watch cartoons.
Nice. What's your favorite cartoon?
I love Tom and Jerry.
Me too. It's so funny. What's your favorite cartoon?
I love Tom and Jerry.
Me too. It's so funny.
What's your favorite food?
I love mangoes.
What's your favorite food?
I love mangoes.
I like mangoes too. We have the same taste.
Haha. Yes, we do.
I like mangoes too. We have the same taste.
Haha. Yes, we do.